Hi everyone, this is Heather Lottinen from the Flourish.Academy. This is episode 432. We are continuing Productivity Week here at the FA. You'll definitely want to check out the goal setting and time management course for creatives. I'll post the link below, but I solicited questions in the FA community group recently, and my friend Amanda posted this question. She said, I'd like to know if anyone else struggles with reaching goals you've set. Does that sound absolutely crazy? I've done a lot of goal setting with the help of your courses. Thank you, Amanda. And I am so thankful to say I've reached a lot of them over the last few years. But whenever I reach a goal, I feel like I can't let myself celebrate. I feel like if I slow down to soak it all in, it will slip away and I'll have to start over from scratch. In return, lately, it has kind of slowed me down from setting new goals when I reach ones that I've made in the past. I found this question so interesting, Amanda, because I think a couple of things could be going on here. Number one, when you hit a goal, you need to celebrate for sure, and you need to own it and allow yourself to celebrate. I think that you are a very humble person, and you don't really want to own that you achieve this goal. And I need you to do that. I need you to just say, hey, I hit this goal. It's awesome. Let's celebrate. Okay. I am the queen of celebrating micro wins. Any teeny tiny little thing that I do that is towards a goal, I will celebrate it. I will find the most ridiculous things to celebrate. I will also find ridiculous ways to celebrate. So celebrating for me could mean I finished recording a video series, so I'm gonna go to Target. And Ella and I like to just walk around Target and shop, and maybe I'll pick up some new makeup or clothes or something, celebrating a micro win. Or maybe I'll have a drink with dinner, which is pretty rare for me. I maybe have a drink about once a week, so I'll have a glass of wine with dinner to celebrate, or I'll bake something, or I'll allow myself free time to read a novel instead of a productivity or personal growth book. I love the micro win. So I don't want you to just celebrate your goals or achieving your goals. I want you to celebrate every step it took to get there, and just sit back for a second and own it. I did this and it's great, and then move on to the next goal. So at a high level, that's pretty straightforward and simple. I think anyone can do that. But I'm wondering if there's something a little bit deeper happening here, and that is you've set these goals, you hit them, but you're not truly connected with your why. That is your deeper motivation. And I can give you a great example of this because it happened to me. Very early on in my career, I want to say lucky enough, but I mean, I worked hard, so I'm gonna earn it. I went from 3 weddings to 30 weddings. I had a lot of success in my business, and I remember setting these goals about where I wanted to be in terms of number of clients and revenue and status and all of these things, and I hit them really, really quickly. And when I did, I was extremely disappointed and let down. And I thought to myself, is that all there is? Really? I worked my tail off. Set these goals, I hit them. Why do I feel almost depressed about it? That's a strong word. I was just let down. It didn't feel as good as I thought. And then I looked back at the goals and I thought, okay, why did I set those goals? Those goals were very loose for me, meaning I had wanted to have this number of clients and this number of weddings in these certain venues. But why? What was the point? What was the purpose? To grow the business, to meet new people, to increase income and revenue. I mean, it really wasn't tied with my intrinsic motivation. And those types of goals will always let you down, because you'll think to yourself, why did I just work so hard and shoot 30 weddings this year so that I could say I shot 30 weddings this year, but I'm miserable and I'm tired and I took on too much, but I hit my goal. Why am I not happy? So you can see now, it's easy to see from the outside that there was no real reason. I picked 30 out of the air. So I wasn't connected with why I was doing it. So that's one thing. Are you connected with your true motivation? Why are you doing what you're doing? And there's a difference between like small goals that are getting you towards a bigger vision or dream, and task list goals or habit goals, things you do on a regular basis. So make sure you're differentiating between those two things. So I just want you to work on, number one, celebrating. If it's a win and you feel great about it, I need you to own it. Maybe we should start a thread, a monthly monthly thread in the FA community that has something to do with what was your win this month, or what goal did you achieve, or how are you feeling about it, and find a way that is unique to you. Do something for yourself. I know that you have small children, you're very busy, you're running your own business. I'm sure you're neglecting yourself. I'm certain of it. Is there something that you could do just for you that you would feel great about and that you've earned? I think a lot of people, women specifically, have a hard time just owning it. Owning that I worked hard, I earned this, and I deserve it because of what I put into it. So make sure you're doing that. Make sure you're celebrating micro wins, and make sure that you're really connected with why you're doing what you're doing. It's usually not just that goal. It's usually connected to maybe a bigger vision or a bigger dream. I hope that you found this useful. I'll see you in the next video.